Hey guys, so welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video, I'm going to share this very special and interesting recipe. This is called Ofada stew or designer stew. We are going to pair it with some white rice and some fried plantains. In this video, we are going to make use of this beautiful cookware set by ROYDX. This is their festive cookware. It is a set of 4. The biggest one here is the 5-quart stock pot with lid. It is a non-stick pan coated with ceramic. It has a see-through cover with vents. Next is the 3-quart stock pot, also with a lid. I love that this set looks so modern, so stylish, and most importantly, they do the work. Okay, like it conducts heat effectively, and your food gets cooked evenly. And here comes my favorite pot. This is the 1.4-quart stock pot with lid. I use this pot every day, like almost every day to make something. It works so well, so convenient, so easy to clean. My food doesn't get burnt. And here is the 10-inch skillet, commonly called frying pan. This is a lifesaver. Okay, like if you need to fry anything, fry eggs, pancakes, it will never get burnt or stick to the pan. Lastly are the silicone spatula and the spoon. They are also included in the box. This is a beautiful set indeed, and it came very well packaged, and the pots were so secured and protected inside the box. I also love the color of this cookware, lemon green. They just brighten up my kitchen. This set can be used with an induction cooker, a gas stove, infrared furnace, electric stove, firewood, charcoal stove, just name it. Another very interesting thing about this pot is the handles. The handles are made with stay cool stainless, meaning that they don't get too heated up, right? So they stay cool even when you are cooking with them. That way you don't get any burns or any scars. Now, as with every other new cookware, you have to wash it first before you use it. And please, when washing any non-stick cookware, don't use any abrasive or any scarring sponge or powder. Okay, just use a washcloth, a soft sponge, a foam, and warm soapy water. Don't use anything harsh because you don't want to scratch the coating of the pot. The link to this pot will be in my description box. I'll also pin it in the comment section of this video. When you use that link, you will get some discounts. Also, you can find it on Amazon if you just prefer to go straight on Amazon. Now let's go back to making this designer stew. So the first thing is we're going to boil some eggs with my little cute pot. Next, we're going to season this chicken breast. I added some chopped onions, I added some salt and seasoning powder. Mix it together and just put it on fire. Let it start cooking. Let the chicken breast cook for about 3 minutes on its own juice. Then add 1 cup of water or stock and cook until it becomes tender to your choice. I want you to observe how I was handling the pot without any issues, and that's because the handles are made with a stay cool stainless. Designer stew or Ofada stew is made with assorted meat. Here I have some cow tripe and some cow skin, locally known as bomo, shaki, kanda. It takes a very long time to cook, so I'm going to cook it with my pressure pot. So in here I poured in some seasoning powder, some salt, and about 2 to 3 cups of water. After stirring it, cover it and set it aside to cook. Next, we are going to deseed our green bell peppers and blend together with some onions and some hot pepper. So here we are going to use only green bell pepper. That's why the color of the stew is green. So basically we are going to use only green colored peppers. After blending, transfer to a colander to drain excess water, and please save the water, don't discard it because we are still going to use it in this recipe. Next, cut the meat into smaller chunks and set aside. If you prefer, you can also fry the meat. You can air fry them or bake them in the oven, but here I'm going to leave mine just like this. I'm not going to fry it or do anything extra to it. Next, shell the eggs and set them aside. Now we are going to bleach some red palm oil. Add about 1 to 2 cups of oil in a pot. Cover the pot and bleach the oil. This will take about 10 minutes or even 15 minutes. And please do not open the pot until all the steam has gone down. Next, we are going to cook our rice by the side while we are waiting for the oil to finish bleaching. So here I'm using the 3/4 stock pan to make the rice. Guys, there's this joy that comes with cooking with a non-stick pan. I don't know if it's just me, but I find it so much relaxing and calming when I cook with a high quality pot like this one, because the food doesn't even stick to the bottom. It just I don't know how to explain it, but it gives me joy. Okay, it gives me joy. And by the way, my kettle is not from this company. My kettle is from a different company. It's just a coincidence that they're matching. Back to our oil. The oil is done bleaching, and as you can see the change of color. Now add the chopped onions. Add some fermented locust bean. This is a local spice. If you don't have it, don't worry, just omit that. But if you do, just add it. It adds a very nice flavor to the soup, to the stew. So stir it, add the blended green bell pepper mixture and fry for about 10 minutes. This was after about 10 minutes of frying the peppers, and as you can see, it is frying nicely. It's not sticking, okay? It's not sticking to the pot. Next, I added the chopped meat. I added the chicken. I added the eggs. I seasoned accordingly. I mixed everything together. See guys, if you have not tested this stew before, you need to recreate this recipe. You really need to, because you are missing a lot. And because the stew looks so thick, I'm going to add some of the liquid we got from when we blended the pepper. I'm just going to add a little just to lighten up the sauce, the stew. And this is the consistency I want it. Then I covered it to simmer for about 2 to 3 more minutes, and then it is ready. Guys, this meal is not complete without fried plantains, and because of that, I'm going to fry some plantains with this 10-inch skillet called frying pan. Okay, I'm going to make some plantains in it, and you guys will see how beautifully well it will fry the plantains. Guys, I hope you guys try out this cookware set. They are so good. I highly recommend them. It is a 9-piece set when you count the covers and the spoons included. You can use this to gift someone for birthday, for wedding, for Christmas, for Thanksgiving, for Easter, or just gift, just random gift. Okay, and if you don't like cooking, just buy this pot. Just trust me, you see that you enjoy cooking. Okay, when you have this pot, you see that cooking will be more fun for you. Please check out the link in the description box so that you can get some discounts when you purchase this pot. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and please share it to your friends and your family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on your bell notification and all of that good stuff, so that whenever I put up a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.